Hello and welcome to the Vitamix training series number 2. Today I will explain the installation and use of the Vitamix Rinse-O-Matic. At the bottom are 3 rubber mounting feet. These feet need to be checked for tightness before installation, and they should be checked during your cleaning process. These feet can be removed for cleaning or for replacement. They can be easily turned in the counterclockwise direction for removal and clockwise for installation. Next is the connection hose. This hose is equipped with a quick disconnect for easy connection and removal. There is a locking device that must be pressed in to remove it from the male hose adapter. There's a small rubber O-ring on the male disconnect that must be kept in good condition to ensure proper connections between the two parts. Next, let's discuss the spray head and its components. This spray head can be removed by unscrewing it in a counterclockwise direction. You should find a spring and a black nozzle valve inside. You will also find one seal. This assembly can be easily replaced if the spray head starts to leak or the parts become damaged. Let me show you the correct way to place the container to get the best washing results and the longest tip and spray head life. When you lower the container down over the spray head, try to avoid hitting the black tip on the blade. This can be easily done if you start at one of the corners of the container. Then move the container inward towards the blade assembly. With a little practice, you should be able to do this easily every time you rinse the container. Some things to avoid that will prematurely destroy the rinse head and nozzle tips are banging the container on the spray head, banging the blade assembly on the spray head, misaligning the spray head tip between the top of the spray head and the blade assembly. If you are experiencing difficulty depressing the spray tip on your Rinse-O-Matic, your water pressure may be too high. The recommended water pressure is 60 psi. If your water pressure is higher than this, you may have to install a pressure-reducing valve to reduce your pressure. This concludes the Rinse-O-Matic installation and usage process.